Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious comfort food, which is shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie, it is so delicious. It has a ground beef mixture topped with mashed potato. It is amazing and I know you will love it. The recipe will be in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you could get notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do in a pan here over medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil, allow it to get hot. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and add our onions, celery, and carrots that are nice and diced. Add in there, add some salt and pepper to let it sweat. Give it a mix, and we're going to cook this here for about 5 minutes until they're nice and softened. After 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add some minced garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds until it starts to smell. Make sure you don't let it burn because it gets bitter and we don't want that. So now we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. I am using 90% lean, but you can use any ground beef, but make sure you use a really good ground beef. So we're going to go ahead and add it into our pan and break it up with a spoon. And as I break it up with a spoon, I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I'm going to use some dry oregano, some dry thyme, salt, and pepper. Give it a mix, and we're going to cook this here for about 10 minutes until the meat is nice and brown. So once my meat is nice and cooked, just like this, if you notice while you're cooking it that it has a lot of liquid, just crank up the heat and let that heat evaporate, cook into the meat, because that's just extra flavor and we don't want to get rid of that. And what we're gonna do is add some tomato paste and mix it all together until the tomato paste is nice and dissolved. And now we're going to go ahead and add some chicken stock. You can use beef broth, but I didn't have it. And also I didn't have Worcestershire sauce, whatever you say that. You can add it at this point, but it really doesn't make like a big difference. I made it without it, with Worcestershire sauce, and it's just delicious. So you're gonna give that a mix, and we're gonna bring it to a simmer. Once it's at a simmer, bring the heat to low, cover it, and cook it there for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our peas, give it a mix, and set it aside. That's your beef mixture. Taste it for seasoning. Mine was perfect, so it didn't need anything. So now that we have our beef mixture ready, let's talk about mash. This mashed potato is so delicious, so creamy, perfect for this dish. So I just boiled some potato with salted water until they were nice and soft. I'm going to mash them with a potato masher. Then we're going to go ahead and add some butter. Continue mashing until everything is nice and smooth. Now we're going to go ahead and add some milk. Make sure the milk is warm. Give everything a nice mix, season with salt and pepper, and there you have it, a nice and smooth mashed potato. So here I have this dish where I'm gonna bake my shepherd's pie. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the beef mixture first and spread everything out. And then we're going to go ahead and spread our mashed potato. Make sure you spread it evenly to cover the beef. I'm going to transfer this to a baking sheet, and we're going to bake it at a 400° Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is nice and golden, like lightly golden. And then we're going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and dig in. And that is it, guys. Alright guys, so that was my recipe for shepherd's pie. As you can see, it was simple, it is so delicious, and I really hope you get to try it. And if you try it, make sure you let me know, send me a picture on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. I will be more than thrilled to see them and respond. So I see you in my next upload. Bye.